Good day, folks. Another wonderful video brought to you by yours truly. A guy who probably has no business telling anybody how to fix or repair anything, so YouTube mechanics, beware. Today's video is brought to you by the fine folks over there at EMF Rod Ends, Clayton and Aaron at Evolution Machine and Fabrication. They've been making all sorts of really good stuff for years and years and years for Dodges and other vehicles, big heavy duty ball joints and all sorts of Heim joints for off-road trucks and industrial equipment. If you need the biggest and best parts available, they've got you covered. But today's not about the really big stuff, it's about the small stuff today. We're working on a 2015 RZR 1000 XP 4-seater. And Aaron and Clay have finally gotten into the business of making parts for RZRs. And probably more UTVs to come. But today I get graced with these bad boys. The very first prototype tie rod ends on the market for these vehicles. This will fit anything from a 14 to a 24, and even the ones with the funky little angle. I don't think we figured out why it has that angle, but that's for somebody a bit higher pay grade than myself. But these are based on I think a Toyota FJ Cruiser. Got little set screw here, and you can take off the top. And just like any of their equipment that you buy, it's all fully rebuildable. So if you end up wearing these parts out, you can get a hold of the replacement guts to put in the inside, but fully greasable. We're really excited to put these on today, and I'll sort of take you through that process. So thank you to Aaron and Clayton for letting me be the first guinea pig to try them out. If there's anybody who can break it or destroy it, it's me, because that's what I do. I break things. And with these kick-ass stickers I got, it gives me like 10 more horsepower, right? That's how that works, I think. But yeah, we're going to put these tie rod ends on today and kind of show you how that's working. It's still a prototype, so there's things to be figured out, like the boot fitment and whatnot. So these are the very first, one of two. But yeah, here we go. Got the wheels all taken off and the vehicle in the air. Yeah, this is the factory setup. Factory tie rod end, steering system. That's going to get upgraded eventually here, and I'm hoping that as time goes on, Clayton can get around to designing a new inner tie rod ball and socket that's in there, because mine are getting a little wobbly. So one part at a time though. These should be kind of a stock fitment. Should be really no change in the specs or anything. Pop off the 18mm nut off the bottom and take these off. Make sure to kind of figure out where the jam nut is and do my best to set it back to factory. But I've got some parts to do an alignment on this thing as well, so we'll get that underway. I've got my favorite handy dandy tool, the sledge. So we'll see if this comes off all right. Oh
yeah. 2 hours later.
All right. Got a bigger hammer. Let's see how many times I can miss it. Oh yeah.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Helper here. Say hi, Coop.
Hi.
got, I don't normally recommend this, but I put the nut on the bottom because it wasn't coming off. But you can see I've definitely beaten since I've got a replacement nut, it's okay to smash this one. We're taking it off.
Not good.
It's not good, is it? All right. So I've got this off here.
There's so many mosquitoes outside too.
Okay, wonderful. Lots of mosquitoes out here tonight. No. Get this guy unthreaded there. Do you know how many times I spend looking for tools and parts that I just put down 5 seconds ago? ADHD is real. Right on, here we go. Get that guy out there. We'll put some anti-seize on there in a bit. I just want to test fit this for now. Oh yeah, that is awesome. Right on. Cool. Well, let's do the same to the other side. All right. Let's see how nicely this one comes apart. I swear I didn't do that for the camera. Well, sometimes they just come apart nice and easy, and sometimes you gotta beat the ever-loving hell out of them. That worked out nicely. It's getting a little late in the evening here, but we've got the other side apart. Got the jam nut busted. Oh, sure. Make a fool out of me, why don't you? You bugger. Take the old one off here. Get the new EMF hotness on. That's good enough for what we're going to do right now. Dropped in there. Beauty. Very nice. Looks great. So we're going to break out the new alignment tools that I've got and put the alignment bars on and give her an old fine tuning, and that'll pretty much cap off this project. Thanks again to EMF and Clayton and Aaron. I look very much forward to all the rest of the steering components that you guys get, because I need them bad. All right, we'll catch you guys on the next one.